Mike Behrmann. I am the Executive Vice President of Segue Technologies, co-owner. We're a Federal IT Contractor, mostly, but we're really a technology solution provider. Segue has received quite a few awards over its 20-year history. We have prime contracts with the federal government, mostly with the Air Force, Defense Department, DoD. We also have a IDIQ vehicle with National Park Service. We do a lot of network support for them, software development for them. As an IT company, we absolutely rely on our infrastructure.
Before we came to NEC, the biggest system challenge that I ran into on a regular basis was the speed of our data transfers in our data center.
Our previous solution, when we were backing up our servers, I don't know that you could actually call it backing up our servers, because we had over 100 servers at the time, and our backup solution was so slow that we would only get maybe literally 3 or 4 servers backed up a night. And we would have to pick and choose which servers were the most important at the time. We found ourselves lacking the speed that we really needed from all of our virtual servers. NEC came back to us and said, we looked at the amount of virtual machines you're running, the amount of virtual hosts you have, the type of network you're running, and based on what we've looked at, we think a hybrid solution would actually be a better fit for you. So what we ended up getting was an M300 series SAN with 3 different types of disks. We also purchased a HYDRAstor to help assist our backups.
The cutover was without headaches, I would say. We had no disruption of service. Honestly, people didn't know we'd done it.
Production, as far as performance, is just off the charts.
We're getting 76 servers backed up within 8 hours. And those are full backups. That's not even incrementals. If we do our incrementals, we're talking just a couple hours of time, and we've got our whole infrastructure is backed up. We're pulling up logs every single day. Every single thing is green. We have not had a failure in our backups since we installed the HYDRAstor. It's been amazing.
When we started to go with NEC, they gave us new capabilities that we didn't know we had, and we didn't know that we were able to shop for. And that's been great. We've really been happy with the whole thing.
I felt so confident in what NEC brought to the table. And the price was just something we couldn't ignore. And the performance is just tremendous.
I would absolutely recommend NEC to any company our size. They're actually here to help and figure out what will make your business strive.